done. Tips the way they look. I haven't been underneath yet to see how we did it. Alright, so coming off the muffler, goes up over the rear axle to a T, comes out the driver's side to an elbow. And I imagine the same thing on the other side. Sounds pretty good. You don't pick up the wind. Sounds pretty decent. It's nice not to have the vibration and everything inside the truck anymore, since up until yesterday, I don't know you guys knew how long I was working on getting it done, but up until yesterday it was the 2.5 inch magnaflow just stopped underneath the truck, and when you'd be coasting or whatnot, a lot of things inside would rattle.